Hi, welcome to Cantonese Home. This lesson we're going to learn unit of time. This is useful. Let's see. We have second, 秒, minutes, 分 or 分鐘. So 分鐘 is two words. It's actually describe the same thing. 分 is minutes. 分鐘 is also minutes. So how to remember 分鐘? So 鐘 is 1 hour. 分 is to divide it, then separate it. So you separate 1 hour, then it would be minutes, right? 分鐘 separate 1 hour. 分鐘至 5 minutes. And hour 鐘頭 they both means hour. 鐘頭 鐘頭 you can remember it as 鐘頭 is your head in Cantonese. 鐘頭 秒 itself is already the measure word. So 分 is measure word itself as well. So for example, 1 second is 1秒 here. So 1分 is 1 minute or 1分鐘. 一個字一個鐘. These two, you need to add 個 as the measure word. So look at here. So 10點 and then 10分 or 10分鐘. But if you want to say 兩個字 2 5 minutes, then you have to say 個兩個字. Okay, so 日夜 so I don't have to describe. So日 and this is 晚 晚 日晚 so 一日一晚. So in if you go to a trip, you book the hotel, so people would say 一晚 to live there, 住一晚. Live there for 1 night, 住一晚 We won't say 住一日, we'll say 住一晚. Oh, now test yourself. Alright, so the first one.
日晚
You will find the audio in the flashcards. So take a look of the description of this video. You will find the link for these flashcards with my sound, with the 粵拼 and with the romanization and the English. 好，禮拜 is week, but it's more religious sense. It's carry the sense because people go to church in the end of like Sunday, so they see this as a week, a weekly basis. 星期一個星期 is 1 week. Month 月年 So I suggest you, when you watch the video, you try to follow my sound as well. You try to produce the sound as well. It would help to help your pronunciation as well. 好，一個禮拜一個星期一個月一年. So easy. So this is 一個星期 or 一個禮拜. So this one 一個月 whole month 一個月12個月 12 months 一年 OK， 好，咁就 so some special notes， 4個星期 equals to 1個月，12個月 equals to 1年。Alright, so you will see we use 個 in week， 4個星期。There's some exceptional case, I will tell you a little bit more. Then this one, 1個月 they both need the measure word 個。And 10年 itself is already a measure word. Alright, so 3年 3 years and 8 months. 3年8個月 or some people would add 3年零8個月。This one is more popular. People would rather use this one. For example, 1 year and 2 months. Then it would be 1年零2個月。好， so the other concept is 幾耐 for how long. Like one movie, okay? So normally it's 1.5 hours. That would be 睇電影 or 睇戲。一套戲 one movie 一套戲幾耐啊 for how long? So 1個半小時 1個半鐘幾耐 we always like Hong Kong people loves instant noodles, so it takes 3 minutes for the instant noodle to get ready. So 幾耐啊 then you will say 3分鐘3分鐘Okay, 好 so this is the most of the content. 秒2秒2分2個字 so see the measure word 2個鐘2日2晚Okay, you can see just these two 字鐘 you need a 個2個星期2個禮拜2個月2年2年For you can use a way is to just remember there's 4 you need to use 個 that is 1個字1個鐘1個禮拜1個星期1個月That's it. And other, they do not need extra measure word. They are measure word itself. So 秒分日晚年 if we use 10, okay? 10秒10分 or 10分鐘10日10晚10月10年10年 Test yourself. 好呢個係1個星期 you need 個12個月 or 1年this one definitely 1 year as well 1年1個月this one is not 1個月 this one is month 1月Okay, so if we have to use a measure word, which means it's 1 month. If it is not measured, so it's 1月 just 2 words, then it's January. Okay, 6月7月8月9月10月11月 So this is half of the year. 半年 very useful. 好啦，咁呢就 this is part of the project, a free project for people who are interested in learning Cantonese. So this is a basic beginner course. To enter the classroom, you can go to this link and then it will guide you to enter the classroom and get all the flashcards, all the PDF, etc. Okay, so this is the Quizlet is to help you to practice like a self-study. I think it's quite useful because watching a video won't help you to consolidate that much. So when I teach students, I have flashcards for them. So I also create it for you. So I hope you would enjoy and make good use of your time to learn it in an efficient way. Okay, second. So a little bit to explain a little bit. So in this flashcards, I also add the measure words in it. So you will see here, minutes, then you will see 3個字. Oh, they are all with my audio and also the 粵拼. 1分鐘, 1分鐘. 禮拜, yeah, religious, more the sense. 2個禮拜. So for this one, 2 weeks, 2星期. Some people can say, instead of 2個星期, some people would say 2星期. So it's faster. But for this one, 禮拜, you cannot say 2禮拜. You have to say 2個禮拜. So this is something you need to remember. It's how to say, it's a exceptional, but if you just stick to using the 過 for week, then you would not make mistake. 8月, 8月. Yeah, if you add a 過 here, then it will be like a baby. 8 months, baby. 8個月, baby. So it's how long does it take? 幾耐? 8日, 8晚, 2年. Okay, so here we go. So we'll see you in future. So if you do not see any new video, but it must be I have some, something happened, so I cannot make video, but continue to leave me messages and I will continue this project. Thank you.